Ever walk into your home and feel like it's just loud, even when it's completely silent? That tension in the air you can't quite explain? It might not be you. It could be your space quietly stressing you out. Today, you're about to discover 10 powerful home decor hacks that turn chaos into calm. These aren't just trendy Pinterest tips. They're backed by design psychology and used by real people to create spaces that breathe peace. So stick around to find out what it is near the end of the video. If your home could use a little more exhale and a little less overwhelm, let's begin, starting with number 10. Number 10, bring nature inside with houseplants. Okay, so imagine this. You walk into your home after a long day, and the first thing you notice is the calming greenery scattered around. Suddenly, you feel like the weight of the world just drops off your shoulders. You might not know it yet, but houseplants are secret stress busters. Seriously. I recently learned that having plants around isn't just for decoration. They actually lower stress and anxiety. How cool is that? It's not just about looking pretty. Plants like the snake plant, pothos, or peace lily literally help purify the air and make the whole space feel fresher. And guess what? It doesn't matter if you have a small apartment or a spacious house. Even having a few plants on your windowsill or in a corner can totally change the vibe. Plus, they're so easy to take care of. I mean, if I can keep a cactus alive, and I've had a reputation for killing plants, you definitely can too. It's a small change, but it's like bringing a piece of nature into your space. Just think of the calm you'll feel every time you walk into the room. Number 9, soften your lighting. Let's talk about lighting. I used to underestimate how much it impacts my mood until I realized how harsh fluorescent lights were making me feel tense. The good news? Soft lighting is a game changer. It's like switching from a stressful workday to a chill weekend afternoon, just by adjusting your lights. So if you're feeling like your home could use a more relaxed vibe, try swapping out your bright white light bulbs for some warm-toned bulbs. They instantly soften the whole room and make it feel so much cozier. Layering your lighting is also key. Try using table lamps, floor lamps, or even wall sconces to create soft, ambient lighting. You can even add dimmer switches for full control over the brightness. One of my favorite tricks is adding fairy lights around the room. They just bring this gentle, magical glow that's so soothing. And if you're really into creating that spa-like ambiance, try lighting a Himalayan salt lamp. Not only do they look amazing, but they help purify the air too. Trust me, your space will feel like a calm sanctuary in no time. Number 8, hide the clutter. Hide the stress. Now, who else can't stand clutter? It's like you try to relax, but your eyes keep darting to that pile of stuff on the counter or the random shoes lying around. Here's the thing. Clutter is a major stress trigger, even if you don't consciously notice it. I was shocked when I found out that seeing clutter can actually release the stress hormone cortisol. No wonder we feel overwhelmed when our spaces are chaotic. But here's the good news. It's not as hard as it seems to make your space feel less cluttered. Storage solutions are your best friend here. Start with stylish baskets, ottomans that double as storage, or even under bed boxes. These are great for hiding away extra items without sacrificing style. It's like giving everything a cozy little home where it belongs. And I've learned that less is more. Clear off your surfaces, and you'll immediately notice the difference. A simple tray for your keys or a stylish storage box on the coffee table can keep everything neat and still look cute. The result? A peaceful, stress-free home. Number 7, embrace calming color palettes. Let's be real, colors are everything in a room. I never really thought about how much they influence my mood until I started paying attention. Soft blues, muted greens, and calming grays are a total vibe when you're trying to create a relaxed atmosphere. I mean, haven't you noticed how being near water or in nature can make you feel more at ease? Those same calming tones work wonders inside your home. If you're not into bold colors, neutrals are your best friend. Think of beiges, soft whites, and light grays. They'll make your space feel airy and spacious. Plus, they can help you unwind just by being there. And it doesn't have to stop with the walls. You can use these colors in your pillows, rugs, and throws to create that serene vibe everywhere. You'll be amazed at how much roomier everything feels. Number 6. Use minimalist and meaningful art. Okay, I've got a confession. I used to just throw random pictures on my walls without thinking much about it. But I've learned that art can really change the energy of a room. When it's the right kind of art, it's not just something pretty to look at. It's something that makes you feel calm and grounded. Minimalist art is my new go-to. Think subtle, simple designs or nature-inspired prints like ocean waves, forests, or mountain landscapes. There's something about clean lines and neutral tones that makes everything feel more serene. What I love most about minimalist art is that it doesn't overwhelm a space. You don't need to cover every inch of your walls. Just pick 1 or 2 pieces that resonate with you. I personally love hanging a large piece over the couch. It gives the room focus and adds a touch of zen. If you're into personal touches, photographs of your favorite memories or quotes that inspire you are great options. Number 5. Create a tech-free recharge zone. You know, as much as I love my phone and laptop, being constantly plugged in can get seriously overwhelming. That's exactly why I created a tech-free zone in my home, and I can't recommend it enough. It's been a total game changer for my focus, my peace of mind, and even my sleep. Sometimes unplugging is the best way to reconnect with yourself and everything that really matters. Choose a cozy corner. It could be a reading nook, a comfy chair by the window, or just a little spot on your couch, and make it a place where you disconnect from screens. No phones, no laptops, no TVs, just you, your thoughts, and maybe a cup of tea or a good book. It's the perfect way to give your brain a much-needed break from the constant digital noise. I added a few pillows, a soft blanket, and even some calming music to really set the mood. This little space has become my retreat where I can breathe and recharge. And trust me, if you create your own little tech-free zone, you'll feel so much more relaxed and refreshed. Number 4. Soothe with scents and aromatherapy. I used to think that candles were just a cute way to add ambiance, but it turns out they can actually affect your mood in a big way. Aromatherapy has been around forever, and there's a reason for it. It works. Scents like lavender, eucalyptus, and sandalwood are known for their calming effects, and they can really help you feel more at ease at home. So, I started experimenting with essential oil diffusers, and let me tell you, it's magic. I love using lavender oil right before bed to promote relaxation, and eucalyptus for an uplifting and fresh scent during the day. I also burn soy candles in the living room, and they make the whole space smell amazing without being overwhelming. If you want to take it to the next level, try using scented sachets or placing essential oil diffusers in different rooms. These natural scents have the power to not only smell incredible, but also soothe your mind and body. Your home will smell like a spa, and you'll feel like you're on vacation every day. Number 3. Layer textures for comfort and warmth. Okay, so here's a little trick I learned recently. Textures can make your home feel like a big hug. I know, that sounds a bit dramatic, but trust me, when you mix textures right, your space feels so much warmer and cozier. Start with throw blankets. I can't live without my chunky knit blanket. It adds this wonderful tactile softness to the couch. Then, throw a few pillows in different fabrics, maybe some velvet, linen, or cotton. It's all about layering. And if you have furniture with hard surfaces like wood or metal, soften them with plush rugs, faux furs, or velvet cushions. The contrast between hard and soft creates this beautiful harmony. When you layer textures, you're adding depth to the room. And the best part? It makes everything feel super comfortable. you'll be looking for every excuse to curl up and stay there for hours. Number 2, curate your furniture layout for flow. Okay, so here's something I've learned the hard way. How your furniture is arranged isn't just about making a room look pretty. It's about how your space flows. If your layout feels cramped or cluttered, it can actually add to your daily stress without you realizing it. I started paying attention to how I move around the room, clearing tight walkways, pulling furniture inward to create a cozy sitting area, and letting the space breathe. The moment I stopped trying to push everything against the wall, my home felt more balanced and intentional. Just opening up space made it feel instantly calmer. And finally, at number 1, add daily ritual corners. Okay, this is my favorite hack of them all. Creating little corners in your home dedicated to things that make you feel good. I'm talking about those small rituals that bring you joy and calm, like journaling, sipping tea, stretching, or doing morning affirmations. Think of it as your personal Zen zone. I created one near my bedroom window with a floor cushion, a little side table, a plant, and my favorite candle. It's where I go every morning to breathe and check in with myself before the day takes over. It's not fancy or big, but it feels sacred. It tells your brain, this is where peace happens. Over time, your brain starts associating that spot with peace. And trust me, when life gets crazy, having a space like this to return to is such a gift. So now, I'm passing the question to you. Which of these home decor hacks are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a calming ritual corner you love? Share your thoughts in the comments. I seriously love hearing how others are creating their own peaceful sanctuaries. And hey, if you enjoyed this, I've got even more cozy, affordable, and uplifting design ideas waiting in the next video. So go ahead and click through. Your calmer, cozier home is just getting started.